this video, we're going to do the rough titration. So rough titration, always put your master hand on the conical flask. Adjust the burette such that the tap is facing your non-master hand. So we're going to switch on the tap and continuously swirl. Ensure that your eyes is only on the conical flask and we're just waiting for permanent color change. Right, once you see the color change permanently, switch off the tap. Right, immediately to make sure that it caught the immediate color change. Now, once you got the immediate color change, read the burette scale at eye level and record this reading as your final burette reading. Then after that, please do your calculations to find out what's the volume used in your rough titration. And with this value, we'll be able to calculate what should we do for our accurate titration. So in order to prepare for the accurate titration, we will first record down the final burette reading. So in this case, the final burette reading is 23.50. And taking into consideration that the initial burette reading is 1.30, the volume of solution used is actually 22.20 cm cubed. Right, so 22.20 cm cubed is actually the rough titration reading. So if you look at this diagram, the volume used for the rough titration is 22.20. So I would usually give about 2 cm cube of leeway, and that would be like the estimate. So therefore, my trigger volume for 22.20 is around 20.20. So after you have sort of decided what the trigger volume is, right, that means the endpoint is somewhere in between 20.20 and 22.20, you need to go and take the initial burette reading again. So in my example, the initial burette reading for my next titration is actually 22.50. The reason is because I probably topped up a little bit of my solution, so it's about 22.50. So if my initial burette reading now is 22.50 for my accurate titration and my trigger volume is 20.20, right? So with some math, we will know that our trigger reading when I must stop my fast addition would be somewhere around 42.70. So around 42.70, I need to stop my reading, and this is my trigger reading which I will use for my accurate titration. Right, so please watch the next video to find out how we are going to do the accurate titration.